What's up, guys? This video is going to be very informative to you because I will let you know what the difference is between proxy and reverse proxy. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it out. Alright guys, so this is actually the landing page of Proxy4U. Link to this will be in the description of the video. I would suggest that you check them out because they are providing a lot of different things about proxy. So guys, let's move on to our topic for this video. Now, I would also show you this article that I found in the internet. Okay, so a proxy server, guys, and reverse proxy serve distinct purposes within the network architecture. So acting as intermediaries between users and servers, a proxy server operates on behalf of the client. It intercepts outgoing requests and forwarding them to the intended website. Now, in contrast to that, a reverse proxy functions on the server's behalf, which receives incoming client requests and directing them to the appropriate back-end server. So effectively concealing the web server's identity from the client. So the key distinction lies in the direction of traffic. So the proxy servers handles outgoing requests, which enables clients to access website indirectly. So reverse proxies, however, manage incoming traffic, distributing requests across multiple servers to optimize performance and prevent server overload. So the client visibility further differentiates the two with a proxy server. So that is actually the reason why I also showed you this Proxy4U, because they have a lot of different proxies that will definitely be very, very helpful for you in terms of whatever transaction and whatever process you are doing on the internet. Now, the primary functions of proxy servers include enhancing user privacy, bypassing content restrictions, and filtering web content. So the reverse proxies, on the other hand, plays a critical role in load balancing, improving security, and masking server infrastructure detail. Now, a proxy server, guys, might enable employees on a corporate network to access restricted websites anonymously. Meanwhile, a high-traffic website could deploy a reverse proxy to distribute incoming requests across multiple servers, which ensures consistent performance and preventing system overload. So, together, these technologies enhance both client-side and server-side network operations. So you can go ahead and check this article out. And of course, guys, just like what I told you, Proxy4U is one of the best proxy providers that you would see in the market today. I would put their link in the description of the video. You could even ask questions right here at the bottom. So you could even ask questions at the bottom right when you click on this. All right, you can have and ask questions to the customer service representative. That way they could address any questions that you may have that talks about proxies and all that. So guys, go ahead and check them out. Of course, do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions when you make your investments. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.